thanks for your time, Jeff. It's great to have you let us be here today. And I guess, do you want to maybe just tell us a little bit about TRAFQUIP, your business, and what led you to looking into solar?
Well, TRAFQUIP is a national fleet business, and as such we need to have good practice in what we're achieving. So, we're running fossil fuel vehicles, which is deemed to be not the best thing to do, but the reality is that it's probably one of our only few options today for what we have. So we're running solar VMS boards and solar lighting and all the various different types of we have electric vehicles for our staff and all that sort of stuff. So I guess for us it was about creating a green footprint.
Yep.
And we could talk to our clients, knowing that we are actually trying to move to a cleaner source of energy, or what is deemed to be more appropriate in our properties where we operate from. So we have several of them, and we just thought, well, we're going to try and do it with motor cars. We should be also trying to do it with our general operating.
And I guess, how important was having a battery to you as far as keeping your business running in the event of a power outage?
Yeah, so just recently with Cyclone Alfred, we have this property which is all geared up with, security and everything, cameras so we can see what's going on. And, I'm up here in the middle of a storm trying to turn on something so that we could make sure we couldn't see things blowing away, and then the power went out anyway. So we kind of wanted to make sure that we would have all of our security systems still running, and then of course with the outages it went for more than a day, it went for like 4 days.
Yeah.
So we really lost our capacity to dial into our system. It cost us so much to purchase this particular unit. It's cost me far more in the last week.
Just in lost revenue?
In lost revenue,
yeah.
lost time.
Yeah, productivity.
Productivity with our staff.